Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 4 English Grammar. Okay, so today we are going to start revision of lesson number 14, 16 and 17. Okay, let's see. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with the future tense forms of the given verbs. It is the question 1 according to your paper style. Okay, so let's see. First one, Saurav dash into bracket become a pilot soon. So what will come students? In the future tense we use will or shall in addition to the main verb. Okay, but in modern English use of shall is quite rare and will is used commonly. Okay, so we use will. So what will come students? Saurav will become a pilot soon. Will plus main verb. Second one, I dash clean into bracket my room on Sunday. So what will come? I will clean my room on Sunday. Third one, the table dash break into bracket if you sit on it. So we have to use this break verb. So what will come? The table will break if you sit on it. Fourth one, Sina dash into bracket show you the album later. Sina will show you the album later. Fifth one, they dash into bracket win the match as they have practiced very hard. So what will come students? They will win the match as they have practiced very hard. Now sixth one, we dash into bracket go on a trip to Kerala this October. So we will go on a trip to Kerala this October. Now 7. Rohit dash practice in the next sports meet. Rohit will participate in the next sports meet. 8th one, Hassan dash into bracket B a cricketer when he grows up. Hassan will be a cricketer when he grows up. Now the next question. Question number 2 according to your paper style. It's a rewrite the following sentences in the future tense. So first one, Romit went to watch a movie. So it is a past tense sentence. So what we have to do? In future tense what we use? Will plus main verb. Okay. So first one, Romit went to watch a movie. So what will come? Romit will go to watch a movie. Go is the main verb of went. Okay. Second one, he went to the theatre with his parents. So what will come? He will go to the theatre with his parents. The movie began at 7 p.m. So what will come? The movie will begin. It's a begun, B-E-G-A-N, and B-G-I-N is a root form of begun. Okay? So the movie will begin at 7 p.m. Fourth one, they bought popcorn in the interval. So what will come? They will buy. Buy is the root form of bought. They will buy popcorn in the interval. Now the fifth one, Romit also ate a burger. Romit will eat a burger also. Okay. Now sixth one, after the movie they went for a walk. So after the movie they will go for a walk. Now 7, they came back at 11 p.m. So what will come? They come. It's a came, C-A-M-E. Root form of came, it's come, C-O-M-E. They will come back at 11 p.m. Now 8th one. Then they went to sleep. So what will come? Then they will go to sleep. Okay students? So complete these two exercises in your rough book. Write these two exercises in your rough book, okay? As your homework. Thank you.